Today DIYs. I laid this yesterday, this floor. I'm just checking lines for glue at the moment. Being the next day, it's nice and fresh. I don't like making too big a line where I split my tiles. I try and butt joint them the best I can so they look nice and tidy. I'm going to be going up this wall now, and I'll go up that wall and then I'll lay my floor, and then tomorrow I'll lay this wall. They want aluminium around the window and around the door, no architrave, so that's cool. I like to do all the floor first, but in this case I haven't been able to. And if I just do this floor, if I just did this floor today, I would be held up. I'd lose half a day. So I will start on the walls and do the floor this afternoon. Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.